Hello everyone, in this video we will review a PCB designing software which is by nextPCB. So to download the software you can see this link in bio. Once you click the link you will be redirected to the page of nextPCB, to the software where you can download the software. So here is the download button. I have already downloaded the software. So once you download the software, like this is the software. So you have to register and you create your login ID to use the software. So once you enter this software, the interface will be looking something like this. So let's import few Gerber files. So I have already downloaded few files. So I will import all of them in the software. Once imported, it will take a few time to load it. Okay, so once these all files are loaded, you can see there are multiple layers in this Gerber file. So all the layers you can see them individually, the top silk layer, the top solder, top layer, bot layer, all these layers you can analyze them individually. Once you have imported all these files, click on DFM analysis. So you will get a list of the things that are analyzed and whatever. So see here on the right bottom you can see the area of the piece. It is somewhat 0.0069 meter square. Its weight is around 0.02 kgs, and you can order this file directly by clicking here, and you will be redirected to nextPCB website where you can order this PCB. And now coming something extra and things like, you can change the color of the PCB you want. Here it is green, you can make it to blue or whatever the colors we are looking for. And so these all the things. And once you go to DFM analysis, you will see a lot of features which have analyzed, like dimensions of the dangling track. These are all the things that will be shown. And if there is error in any one of your PCB file or in layer, there will be showing an error in this. So now let's see, this file was alright and all the things are okay, so it means there are no error here. So we can I would click order now button here, and you will see what we are redirected to this nextPCB website where we can order the PCB. So here just we have to upload the file, and then we can check out and even in the software they have shown the estimated cost of this. For now the PCB is providing free PCBs for $0, so you can use this offer and get your PCB done right now. And if you need the link of the software, you can find in the description, in the bio of the Instagram page of Robotic Electronics. Thank you.